Hello everyone, I welcome you all in today's video. And if you experience a problem on your keyboard light, then I will show you how to turn on your keyboard light on MacBook in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, all you need to do guys is you need to go to your um top left corner on your screen on your MacBook, and you'll see there the Apple icon. Okay, click that one and you will see there a lot of options, and you just have to go to your system settings. Okay, so it will just show up. So in the sidebar guys, you will show here the Wi-Fi, the network, Bluetooth, battery, general. So all you need to do guys is to find or to look for keyboard. Okay, so here guys, I found it. So this one guys, you just have to click that one. And here guys is of course what we need guys is to turn on our keyboard light. So here guys, I got here keyboard brightness. So you just have to drag this to the right. Okay, to right. So, and your keyboard will slowly or will, you know, it will turn on. Okay. Okay, the light of your keyboard now, I guess, is turning on. Okay, so that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MacBook. Thank you.